Hey guys, happy Saturday. I've got a quick haul for you today. Hair's up, got to clean the house, but I want to get this out first. It's a small haul, so we'll get started, and I'll start with Dollar General. I picked up 2 of the white burlap ribbon, and you get 9 feet and it's 2.5 inches. They were $2 each, but it is the white burlap, and I really like this. Wanted to use it on some DIYs. And I guess that's all I got from Dollar General. I thought I had more, but this is Dollar Tree stuff. So Dollar Tree, I got the Gather napkins. You get 16 count. They are 2-ply. No, actually these are Dollar General. There's the tag on the back. So Dollar General, $1. Now Dollar Tree. Picked up the burlap ribbon, regular burlap. It's 9 feet, 2 inches. Hope I don't have a glare with that window back there. If I do, sorry. I picked up 3 more of these little orange pumpkins from Dollar Tree for some DIYs, of course. And this is from Dollar Tree. It's pumpkin spice and everything nice. I want the saying out of the middle for a DIY. And then I found these 2 new signs. This is a laundry guide, and it just says hand wash temperature, high temp, high heat. Just something decorative. Doesn't really tell you how to wash or sort your clothes, but I thought that was cute. It's got the little stand with it. And these are kitchen measurements on the mason jar, and it has the stand as well. I'm trying not to get this glitter on my bed, but I found these 2 steaks. They are the witch's legs. You can put those in your yard or cut them down and DIY with them, which is probably what I'll do. But I'm thinking they'll go on my front porch when I decorate it for Halloween. So, yeah, picked up 2 of those. They have them in purple and black and orange and black. And I picked up the witches hats, and these are called Color Your Own Ornament, and you do get 5 in there. And I also picked up the cats, and you get 5 in that one as well. I just picked up 1 stem of these roses. They have the eyeballs. Well, not roses. I don't know what they are. Yeah, they are roses. They have the eyeball in 3 of them. They do have a couple of spiders on them and these little branches. So yeah, for Halloween. And I picked up the scary ghost. And it's just the wood chipboard or whatever it is. I did get another sign. I like this one. It says come in for a spell. I'm sure I'll use it on my front porch. I picked up 1 splatter screen. I'm not doing the pumpkin, but I am doing something else, and you'll see that in an upcoming DIY. I picked up 3 of the witch hats. They're all the same. These are the adult size. This is the only ones they had in adult size, and then they have some in the kid size. But these will be for decorative purposes for Halloween. You will see those. I picked up 2 of these skull candle holders. And that is hollow, but you can't put anything in there. So I'm not really sure why, but your candle goes up here. I don't know, maybe you could try some kind of fairy lights in, but then you've got the battery box to worry about, so I'm not sure. Anyway, and I picked up 2 of the pumpkins. You can put your little candles or tea lights in. And that's all from Dollar Tree. I do have a few things from Walmart. Just some floral picks or Halloween picks. And all of these are 97 cents. I got the purple, like berry looking things. Don't know. Yeah, it says purple berry. And I got two of these. They have the pumpkin, the pine cones, and it's just called Ornament Pumpkin Mix. And these are 97 cents as well. And then these flowers, and they are purple and orange, and they do have some glitter on them. And that's it, guys. Small haul today. Just wanted to get that out there and let you see what I've picked up lately. I'm sure there's other things I've picked up that I haven't shown you, but I have a mess and I don't know what. So this is what I know I haven't shown you. Anyway, hope you have a great weekend. And if you're a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. If you're not, I'd love to have you. Hit the subscribe button first and then the notification bell. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video.